Welcome, everyone. It's me, Sylvester, YOLO.CX, and we will be doing some random stuff. So welcome everyone on my channel. It's a pleasure to meet you, and we can talk about some cool things. Let's start the show. As you can see here, I'm on Sketchfab website. Yeah, and I just found a couple of 3D models. That model is called Cortana. She's wearing some sort of body painting. I know, maybe this is not suitable for work, but body painting it's actually pretty much beautiful. It's a sci-fi fashion. So I just downloaded this free model. You can download this model in multiple different formats, and I decided to import this model to Blender and just add some animation actions and play with the rigging. So how's this? Yeah, it's a full screen. So as you can see, there are three types of animation at the moment: idle, run, and walk. This is what I've done using a Blender Plus, also Mixamo website. So on the Mixamo, there's a possibility to upload character. If you have a FBX, OBJ, or zip, you can just select character. It needs to be in a FBX format. So, for instance, when we have a Cortana FBX, we can easily apply basic rigging, which is actually working very well. So it's so simple. You have to just match the points. You have to place markers on your model and then press next to the start auto rigging process. So we have to do wrists, we have to do elbows, we can do knees, we need to do something like this as well. I'm not sure if I'm correct, but probably I'm correct. And press next. The next is a auto rigging algorithm, which is sometimes very slow, but it's amazingly fast. I'm not sure if it's happening on the server or in the client, but it sometimes takes up to 2 minutes to do the auto rigging. Oh, processing upload. As you can see, it's there. So the only thing is the problem is that we are losing the materials, but it's fixable. I figured out how to fix the material. So as you can see, we can, for instance, change the animation to animation in place, like that one, and we can download this as FBX again. So I will call it not run, I will call it strange run. And when we have this FBX file, we'll come back to the Blender where I already created 3 different actions, animations, but we can add one more. Let's do it. We need to import the FBX called Strength Run. It's a gigantic thing, but it doesn't matter. We don't really care about the size of imported model because we need just animation data. And as you can see, that animation data is here. I can call it Strength Run. And we can add this stripe. I think here. Nope. It's a kind of a miss and hit. In general, if we close this thing here, we can try to add action script. Let's go and check the armatures we imported right now. It's called Strength Run. So we need to call this action somehow, and then call it Strength Run. And now I believe here, when we got idle, we can add these actions. No, we can't. Maybe. It's confusing, but it shouldn't be difficult. If I'll show all of them, and no, click replace. No. If I'll copy and I'll paste it here. Strength Run. If I'll delete the armature we just imported, and I'll push it, we have a Strength Run. And if we can play it, as you can see here. So it's a Strength Running Girl. It's a perfectly looped action. So if I will move it down a bit to the bottom, and I will just switch all of those actions by default. And if we'll export right now this as GLB model to the folder with avatars, in terms of the settings, we need to export visible, compression, everything is set. I can call it Cortana 4 because I already played with this, so this is just like for presentation purposes. Cortana 4. And we are exporting the file. When here, when we've got Cortana already, I can change the name of the model to Cortana 4 GLB. And if we go to my 3D world settings, like that one, I believe we need to log in again because just timeout. I didn't use it for a while. I have a couple of work in progress testing spaces or worlds. One of them is called Dust World. So, as you can see, we successfully swapped the model. Here in the logs, when we've got some console logs, you can see one of the action is visible as a strange run. Yeah. So usually I think it's quite dark here, so I will change slightly lighting here. We've got ambient light and it's very subtle. We can make it more prominent, but we can also add a, I think, hemisphere light, and you can see that light can change position and intensity, so the lighting will be much better visible. Yeah, so we can save the light right now, and we need to change something to show you the new action if it's in place, because right now she can just walk. She can just walk and then she can run. Yeah. So she can walk, she can run, but we want her to run in a strange way. So let's change the run action in my coding editor. Let's find a walk. So instead of the run, can use different action called strange run. Let's do it. Strange run everywhere. Okay, let's save it. And check if she can strangely run. Yeah. So that's the way we can implement many other actions like jumping, fighting, and I think this is it. Cortana is beautiful. What I was thinking, she needs some clothes. So in the next episode, I hope to explore the idea of using Free.js to generate some dynamic clothes. I found this video. Wait. found this video. It can be interesting idea if we will be able to implement the clove system in 3JS. Some examples. Clove. Yeah. All right, peeps. That was it. Thank you very much for your attention, and I will speak to you very soon. So, bye bye. And by the way, don't forget to go to the website GoFundMe. Do not forget to help me. There is a donate special website. You can give me some sort of support so I can pay for the servers, because monthly it's like 100 euros. Thank you.